What if I told you that computers have now learned how to teach themselves better than humans ever taught them? Yes, this is not science fiction. This is real research published in Nature, and it may soon change how technology affects your everyday life. Let me explain this in very simple terms. Until now, artificial intelligence systems learned using rules written by humans. Humans told machines what to learn and how to learn. But humans are limited. What if machines could discover better ways of learning on their own, just like humans and animals do? That is exactly what this research achieved. Scientists created a system where many AI agents learned from experience across different situations. Instead of humans designing the learning rules, the machine itself figured out how to update its knowledge, how to improve decisions, and how to learn faster over time. The result? A new learning method discovered by machines, not humans. Here's the shocking part. The learning method discovered by the machine performed better than many famous human-designed AI systems. Even in situations it had never seen before, it adapted quickly. This means the machine was not memorizing, it was actually learning how to learn. This is a huge step forward in artificial intelligence. Now you may ask, why should a common person care? Because this technology will quietly enter your daily life. Smarter apps that understand you better medical decision systems, safer traffic and transport systems, personalized education tools that adapt to students. All of these depend on AI that can learn efficiently and responsibly. Today's world is complex and changing fast. Human written rules are no longer enough. We need machines that can adapt, learn continuously, and improve with experience. This research shows that such machines are now within reach. This does not mean machines will replace humans. It means machines can support human intelligence better than ever before. In simple words, AI is no longer just learning tasks. Artificial intelligence is learning how to learn, and that changes everything.